Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make egg kosha recipe. So I will show you the ingredients which I am going to use. That is, I have taken boiled eggs here, about 8. I have taken potatoes. This is ginger, garlic, onion and black pepper paste. I have taken onions cut up, peas. This is dhania patti leaves, tomatoes, dhania powder, jeera powder. So with all this, I'm going to make the egg kosha recipe. I hope you all will like it. So first of all, I will fry the eggs and the potatoes. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, first to fry the eggs, I will put the salt in the boiled egg. You can see. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. And I will mix this up and then fry the eggs. Same thing I will do with the potatoes also. With the potatoes also, put some salt, put some chili powder, put some turmeric powder. So first of all, I will fry all this and then make the recipe. Friends, to fry the egg and the potato, I will put some mustard oil. When the oil turns hot, then I will fry the eggs and the potatoes. Friends, the oil is turned hot. First of all, I will fry the potatoes. Friends, the potato is fried up. Now I will remove the potatoes. Now I will fry the eggs. Friends, the egg also is fried up. Now I will remove the eggs also from the oil. Friends, this oil is too much for the egg kosha, so I will remove some oil from this. Friends, I have lessened the oil. Now I will put the onions. I will let the onions fry. Friends, the onion is turned brown. Now I will put in the ginger, garlic, onions and black pepper paste. Put in some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Put some dhania powder. Put some jeera powder. And fry the masala. Friends, the masala is fried up. Now I will put in the potato. Put in the peas. Put in the salt. Put some water. Put in the eggs. Put the tomato and dhania patti. Cover it up and let it cook. Friends, you can see the egg kosha. How nice it's looking. Very yummy and delicious. Friends, egg kosha recipe is ready. How yummy and delicious it's looking. Thanks for watching my video.